What airlines allow mobile boarding passes?
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about mobile boarding passes. This digital feature offers a great deal of convenience, allowing you to have your boarding pass right on your mobile device. So, let's take a look at the airlines that are currently offering this option.
Why use a mobile boarding pass?
But first, why should we use a mobile boarding pass? It's simple. Mobile boarding passes save on paper, are always in a place where you're less likely to lose them, your phone, and are conveniently accessible. You can check in from your home, your office, or on the go, making your travel experience smoother and more efficient.
Which major airlines allow mobile boarding passes?
Many airlines have jumped on the mobile boarding pass bandwagon. Here are some of the major airlines that allow you to use mobile boarding passes. 1. American Airlines 2. Delta Airlines 3. Southwest Airlines 4. United Airlines 5. JetBlue Airways 6. Alaska Airlines 7. Spirit Airlines 8. Frontier Airlines 9. British Airways 10. Emirates 11. Lufthansa 12. Air France. This is not an exhaustive list, as many more airlines offer this feature. It's always best to check directly with your airline to ensure they support mobile boarding passes.
How to use a mobile boarding pass?
If you're wondering how to use a mobile boarding pass, it's quite simple. First, you need to download the airline's official app on your phone. Check in for your flight through the app. Once completed, you will be able to access your mobile boarding pass within the app. At the airport, you'll present your phone, with the boarding pass displayed, to security and at the gate. Remember, it's always a good idea to take a screenshot of your boarding pass or download it to your device just in case you encounter any internet connectivity issues at the airport. In conclusion, the use of mobile boarding passes is becoming increasingly common and is offered by a wide array of airlines around the world. It's a convenient, efficient, and eco-friendly way to navigate your air travel. Safe and smooth travels to you all.